Hey, Cohen here from KindleCashflow.com, and I'm ecstatic that you are aboard. And I was actually thinking about this, right? So I'm thinking with my team, and we got together and we kind of said, how can we get people to the point where they get quicker results? And not only do they get quicker results, but how do they get to the point where we can 5x or 10x their results? How can we help someone that just got in the program and they're really looking to skyrocket their just everything, right? And we came up with the idea of getting on the phone and talking to just a select few people. So what we want you to do is we want you to book a call. We're gonna give you the option of getting on the phone with us. Not only are the individuals that you'll be getting on the phone with my top guys, my top coaches, guys that are in Kindle publishing day in and day out, that are seeing amazing results, guys that have helped hundreds and hundreds of other people just like you get fantastic results. But you'll also get a step-by-step blueprint. You'll get a game plan that will help you to see clearly what it is that you need to do. All right, so here's what I want you to do. I want you to go in and click the link or the button that you'll find on this page somewhere and schedule a time to talk to us. You're gonna see that the availability is limited because there's only a few of us, and then there's a lot of people that are actually in this program. So it's truly a first come, first serve opportunity. So again, go ahead, click the link or the button that you'll see, go in and schedule a day and time. And when you commit to a day or time, here's what I want you to do. I want you to do a few things. The first thing is I want you to make sure that it is a day and a time that you absolutely can make, because we can't reschedule calls, all right? If you miss out, that's it, you totally missed out. The second thing is, because I don't want you to miss out, I want you to go in and set a timer on your phone. So we all have these smartphones, right? That's actually what I'm recording this video on, my smartphone. So we actually have to have our smartphones work for us. And one of the ways that we can do that is by setting timers so that we don't forget things. So go in, book your day, book your time, then on your phone, set a timer, right? That reminds you of the day and the time of your call. And then the third thing is to come prepared, come excited, come ready to blow this thing up, because that's what we're gonna help you with. All right, so go ahead, book your call right now, hit the link, hit the button that you see, schedule a time, make sure that you are able to make that time, make sure that you put a reminder in your phone, and then make sure you show up for that time. I'll see you on the inside.